And this is a shoe that I always wanted a long time, so I can appreciate these. And what do it for me is that orange, man, that orange and that purple. These dope, these dope. Let's talk about the Nike Air Max 2 CB94 Suns. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, I'm back. I am back. Man, ready to get this unboxing and review going. Your boy excited about the shoes that I finally got here. Man, look, I remember, I think it was in January. I seen somebody, they had this shoe going for about $350 on eBay. Set to release in February. And I'm like, well, if I can go ahead and put the order in January, I can go ahead and get them, you know. And I'm like, if I do this, if I put $350 on the table, it might be a scam. I didn't care, but I never got the shoe. I waited, even waited till March, never got it, called eBay, and they gave my money back, gave my $350 back. So I don't even know if these shoes ever came out, and if they did, what they came out on. I didn't see them on Nike Sneakers app, Hibbett, Champs, I don't know, Foot Locker. So I just happened to go on StockX about a week ago, and I seen them, my size 12, going for $235. Man, I pulled the trigger so quick. I just know that I wanted them. I have them, and when I open the box, I hope that that I'm gonna like this shoe. You know, I'm gonna do an unfoot too. So, you know, but if I don't like them, then I just get rid of them. All right, here we go. StockX. Man, these are clean, man. These clean. I like them. I really do. I mean, I wish I would have paid $160 retail price for them, but I didn't know who was selling them. I don't even know, you know, hopefully they legit. And this is a shoe that I always wanted a long time, so I can appreciate these. And what do it for me is that orange, man, that orange and that purple. These dope. These dope. Charles Barkley. And there's some other Barkleys I want too, but man, the resale value on those is high. They come back out with them, I get them, or try to get them. All right, so what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them, or did y'all pass? Y'all let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.